In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ChatGPT PDF analysis tool and read any file designed specifically for beginners. This is a powerful tool for anyone looking to effectively analyze PDF documents and extract valuable insights quickly and easily. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're at the Google homepage, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This is the quickest way to find the official ChatGPT website, which is where all the magic happens. After you've typed in ChatGPT, hit the Enter key or click on the search icon. This will generate a list of search results from which you should click on the official ChatGPT link. Doing so will take you directly to the ChatGPT website. Upon arriving at the homepage, look for the interface that allows you to start a new analysis or project. Here, you'll usually see a plus sign or an option to create a new file. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This action initiates the process of uploading your document, allowing ChatGPT to interact with it. Next, your screen will display an option that says Add Photos and Files. Clicking this will open up your computer's file explorer, where you can locate the specific PDF file you want to analyze. Once you've found the right file, select it and click Open. This uploads the file to the ChatGPT platform. With your file now uploaded, you're ready to explore the document's contents using the tool's robust features. Here comes an interesting part. You need to type a prompt. A prompt is essentially a question or a directive you give ChatGPT to guide how it processes information. For example, you could ask it to summarize the document, seek specific details, or even explain complex terms in simpler language. The prompt is crucial because it defines what sort of information you will receive back from the tool. After typing your prompt, the final step is to click on Submit. This will send your request to ChatGPT, which will then analyze the document based on your prompt and provide you with the information you requested. Each of these steps leads you closer to becoming proficient in utilizing this tool. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone curious about document analysis, the ChatGPT PDF analysis tool can significantly enhance your efficiency in processing and understanding documents. It's that simple to get started, and with practice, you'll be able to harness the full potential of this powerful tool. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try.